What's up, Rebels? Today, we're talking about Bluehost. I'm doing a little review. I'm talking about why I think it is the best hosting service out there for new entrepreneurs and people that are just getting started building a website. But I don't want this to be like every other Bluehost or hosting review you see of someone that just goes straight to a screen share of their computer where they talk about all the best features on the sales page, they give you an affiliate link, and they try and make a sale. No, we're also going to talk about why the hosting industry in general is such a nightmare and why it's almost impossible to get an unbiased opinion from any review online. And hopefully in doing this, you're going to get a little bit more clarity about how to choose the best hosting service for you, why I do think Bluehost is the best one for people that are just starting out, and dispel some of the myths that, are prevalent within the whole internet hosting industry. Because I'm not going to lie, it's a nightmare. Like trying to deal with these hosting things and trying to decipher what's BS versus what's legitimate versus, what stuff you can trust when it comes to these reviews. I mean, it's next to impossible. So with that, I don't want to waste your time. Let's jump right into it, shall we? Okay, so why do people hate Bluehost so much? And it's not just Bluehost. It's literally any hosting company out there. For every 5 people that you see say it's great, there'll be 5 more that say it sucks. So why is that? It's because of the affiliate nature around this industry. So notoriously, the hosting industry pays some of the best affiliate commissions of just about any company out there. So if you read someone's review, if you click their link, if you go get a hosting account because someone recommended it, almost 99% chance that they're getting paid for that. And it could be $50, it could be $100, it could be $200 per hosting account that signs up via their link. So there's a ton of money to be, and there's people that are making tens of thousands of dollars a month just off hosting affiliate stuff. So because of that, it is literally, I think it is impossible to get a fully unbiased review of these hosting solutions. So yes, are there people out there that have had negative experiences with just about any hosting program? Absolutely. Are there people out there that are profiting and are willing to say whatever they can in order to actually get paid? 100%. And that's the reason this industry sucks so much, because most people do it in kind of a shady way. But bottom line, most of these companies are very similar. For the hosting companies that cost, $100 a year, $10 a month, something like that, most of them are all going to do pretty much the same thing. And any review you read about any product, assume someone has an affiliate link and they're going to profit off it somehow. Yes, if you go buy Bluehost from the link below, I will get a commission. And actually, you'll get a discount because you're a Location Rebel reader, which is kind of cool. But I can go to any other hosting affiliate program and I can get the same commission. So really, it doesn't matter which one I promote because I can profit off all of them. And that's the same for just about any other affiliate that's got any kind of brand or any kind of audience. So with all of that said, why do I like Bluehost so much? Well, there's a lot of reasons. Let's start with the absolute biggest reason, and that's 24/7 support. So let me tell you a little story. Back when I lived in Bangkok, this was in 2010, I had just started blogging. It had been like less than a year since I'd started my blog, and I was trying to add another website to my same hosting account. And at some point, I accidentally deleted my current website, Location Rebel. Kaput. All of it. Gone. Completely disappeared. There's a blog post. It's called The Most Expensive Workout of My Life. And that's linked below where you can, hear about this whole story. I was terrified. I thought I had literally completely annihilated my whole business. Well, I ended up on the phone with support with my hosting company for like 6 hours. And finally, they fixed it. I think it cost me like $100 or something for them to like go into the depths of whatever it got deleted into and pull it back out and make it live again. But that is why support is so critical. Because when you're first getting started building a website, you're gonna screw things up. Something's gonna break, you're gonna screw something up, you're probably gonna delete something you shouldn't have or did something you shouldn't have. It's just the nature of learning this whole process. So when something breaks on one of the sites I've got under Bluehost, I know it's gonna get fixed quickly. And that is a very, very powerful thing. Okay, so the next thing I like about Bluehost so much is they have one-click WordPress install. It used to be a nightmare to install WordPress. Way back 10 years ago when I started my blog, trying to install WordPress was like, you had to go into the SFTP and add this folder and customize this file. And it took me like 2 hours to do it the first time. Now you sign up for Bluehost, you click install WordPress, away you go. WordPress is installed on your website. So it makes it super, super easy to get going with minimal hassle so you can focus on your content and growing your business rather than dealing with the hassle and the technical BS of starting a website. Next, it's got a free SSL certificate included. So that makes your site secure. I'm not sure if you've noticed this, but over the last 6 to 9 months, Google, if you use Google Chrome, up in the URL bar, it'll say not secure if a site is not HTTPS. People are increasingly concerned about cybersecurity and their privacy and things like that. Knowing that you're visiting a secure website is going to be beneficial. As far as Google is concerned, it's also going to rank it higher if it is a secure website. So it used to be you had to pay for this certificate to have a secure site. Well, with Bluehost, it's included for free. So you're gonna get better search rankings, the site's gonna be more secure, it's gonna allow you to build trust easier, and it's free, which is a great thing. And so that's one of the things that I really like about Bluehost as well. Finally, another feature I really like, and I don't think it does this with the lowest plan, but like the second lowest where you can get for like $5 or $6 a month, you get unlimited websites. So you pay for one hosting account and you can have 10 websites on that hosting account. So that's great if you're on a little bit of a budget and you want to start, say, a freelance writing business, but you also want to start a blog around a hobby as well. So then all you got to pay for is the extra domain for like $10 a month. And then you've got a hosting account where you can host as many websites as you want. And that's a pretty cool thing. So there's been times I've had like 5, 6, 7 websites on a single Bluehost account, especially when I'm just starting an idea. I'm just testing it out to see if it works. And then if it does work and it starts to gain traction, then I might move it over to a different host. But once you get to the point where I would say like 30 to 50,000 page views a month, then I might consider moving off Bluehost to either a VPS, which is kind of your own little partitioned server. So you don't have to worry about other sites that are on your server as well, taking up resources that you would like to be devoted to your website. So instead, you get your own little piece of a server that's dedicated just to you. Or you could use what's called managed WordPress hosting. So this is hosting that is specifically optimized for WordPress to make it as fast as possible, to make it as flexible as possible. And that's actually what I run Location Rebel on right now. I use a managed WordPress solution called WP Engine. But if you're just getting going and you want something that's gonna be solid, it's gonna work well, it's gonna make everything easy on you and has fantastic support, then 100% I think Bluehost is the way to go. Like I said, I get affiliate commissions from any other hosting company and make the same recommendation, but personally, I've had a great experience with Bluehost, and so I definitely recommend it. Okay, let's just take a quick pause here. Is this helpful for you? What questions do you have about WordPress, about hosting, Bluehost, about Squarespace maybe? That's something that's kind of, an option within all of this stuff. Leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you figure out what the best solution is for you. Because it could be just a free blog, it could be a self-hosted account, it could be Squarespace, it could be a lot of different things. So I want to help make sure that you're finding the right thing for you and your goals. Okay. So what are the next steps from here? What should you go and do? Well, first thing, click the link below, go to Bluehost. You're gonna get a discount, like I said, because you're a Location Rebel reader. You're gonna get a free domain as you're getting started as well. So you can literally get going for like $3, $4, $5 a month, which is about as good of a deal as you're gonna find on a really solid hosting solution. From there, I recommend you check out a blog post on locationrebel.com called How to Set Up Your First Blog, where we walk you through everything step by step, how to get started with Bluehost, how to find a theme, how to install a theme, how to install all your plugins, how to make your site look good as you're getting going. It's a super in-depth post. So get a hosting account, follow our tutorial, and then from there, in a lot less time than you're probably thinking, you're gonna have a website rocking and rolling, you're gonna be able to start building your personal brand, building that lifestyle business, becoming a digital nomad, quitting your job, taking over the world, and doing all sorts of amazing things. That's what we do here at Location Rebel. We help you build small businesses that allow you to spend more time doing the stuff that you love to do. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do that. Hit that notification bell up there so you'll know every time we've got a new video. And if you are a regular, you know what I'm about to say. You know I love those thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up right now. Go on, I'll wait. I'll just chill here. Thumbs up. I know you want to. All right, perfect. Thank you. I appreciate you. With that, like I said, we're heading to Boston and New York for a couple weeks. Here I leave in just a few days, so we're gonna have some videos from the East Coast, which is gonna be kind of fun. And yeah, rather than continue rambling, I think you should go check out this video right over here. It's all about how to build an online asset. It's all about how to set up your first blog. So it's a natural segue into everything we've been talking about before. So go check out that video here. I'll see you next time on the vlog. And like I said, make sure to subscribe. We'll see you soon. That was a weird wave. Sorry. I don't look. Now, I'll see you later. Take it easy.